रूमा भितर जाल्ले का भायर जाल्ले?
ना भायर
भायर जाल्ले.
तेंचे 3 रूम आसा न्हू. स्टोरेज रूम वेगळो, तेका परत कॉरिडोर केलो तेंच्यांनी. भायर आनी पॅसेज कॉरिडोर, त्या कॉरिडोराक कॅमेरा आसा आनी पॅसेजी कॉरिडोर आसा, कॅमेरा आसा. हे भितरले हेका जाल्ले तेंचे ते
सेकंड लेयर.
सेकंड डे
कितें म्हणल्यार वायर बीन कट जाल्ले, कितें जाल्लें एक्झॅक्ट?
कट जावंक ना. टेक्निकल ताजें कितें जालां पूण लूज कॉन्टॅक्ट अशें.
केन्नाशें जाल्लें तुमी आतां हें पळयलो कितक्यांक बंद?
स्टार्टींग केलें तेन्ना बंद आसा तेंच्यांनी. आमी गेल्या उपरांत तेंच्यांनी खोलून तें सारकें केलें.
Now we got an information towards the day, in the middle of the day, that 3 cameras in the outer layer is not functional. So we immediately tried to find out if remotely it could be repaired, but we tried, but it could not be done. So with the approval of the Chief Electoral Officer, under telephonic information to the observers, with the presence of the political parties, we opened the outer seal and got inside to see the functioning of the cameras. So 3 cameras were not functional. We have replaced them now. Now, in any case, the innermost seal where the EVMs are there, that was not opened. They are intact. Only the outer layer we had opened to repair the cameras. Now the 3 cameras are functional. It happened in 3 strong rooms, SR 3, 5 and 6. So now they have been settled, and in the control room there is a panel where we can see all the cameras. In the presence of political parties, we have showed it to them that all the cameras are now